I have the Galaxy A55 and I'll be showing you how to turn on or how to switch on your phone. Now this is very simple. All you need to do is long press this side button, also called the power button. So just long press on that button until you see the Samsung logo and then let go and allow the phone to boot up. It's really that simple. That's how to turn on your phone. Now, if for some reason you're long pressing that button and nothing is happening, then it might be because your phone has run out of battery. So find a power cable. There's one that comes in the box of your phone, or you can just use any power cable, plug in your phone for a couple of minutes, maybe about 20 minutes, and then try to long press the side button and your phone should come on. Now, if it still doesn't come on, then you might have a hardware issue and you might want to check with your warranty, or maybe you need to take that phone back. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.